People keep saying software engineers are finished. AI can build entire apps now. So I decided to test it. I gave AI a simple challenge: build a real application. What happened next surprised me. Create a complete application. AI instantly generates front-end, back-end, database code. It looked amazing. Thousands of lines of code appeared in seconds. For a moment, I thought programmers might actually be doomed. Stickman presses run. Error. Fix. Another error. Fix. Another error. Database issue. Authentication issue. API issue. Deployment issue. The code looked correct. But looking correct and actually working are very different things. AI is great at writing code, explaining concepts, generating boilerplate. But AI doesn't understand business goals, make architectural decisions reliably, know your entire project context, take responsibility when things break. When something failed, AI gave suggestions, but I still had to decide what to do. The biggest surprise wasn't that AI failed. It was how much faster I became. Instead of writing every function, you review, debug, design, decide. AI didn't replace the developer. It changed the developer's job. AI is like giving a builder a power tool. The tool is incredibly powerful, but someone still needs to know what they're building. So, can AI build an app? Yes. Can it replace every software engineer? Not yet.